In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect AirPods to Galaxy Tab A. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Connecting any model of AirPods to a Galaxy Tab A is extremely simple. The AirPods are actually compatible with non-Apple devices, and you can easily establish a wireless connection. To do this, we will have to use Bluetooth. So all that you have to do is ensure that Bluetooth is enabled on your Galaxy Tab, regardless of the model, and you will be able to get this done by putting the AirPods into pairing mode. So first of all, like I mentioned, go into the settings, access the connections options, and then under Bluetooth, you will be able to make sure that it is enabled. With Bluetooth enabled, you now have to set the AirPods into pairing mode. To put your AirPods into pairing mode, this is going to differ for every generation, but usually you just have to place them inside of the case, then you open the lid, and you have to press a specific button on the back of the case. Like I said, this will differ between the generations. If you aren't sure, check the manuals or ask Apple for help or look up a video for your specific model. Once you properly set your AirPods into pairing mode by pressing a specific button on the back of the case or opening the lid, it is now going to appear under the list of available devices. With the AirPods appearing here, you are good to go. Now you tap on the option to connect and they will remain connected. All of the audio being output on your Galaxy tablet will be output on the AirPods instead, and they will remain connected as long as they are sufficiently charged. Once they run out of battery, they will automatically disconnect and you just have to charge them again with the charging case. This will work with any model of Galaxy tablet, so the A models, the S models, as long as Bluetooth is enabled. And of course, you can connect it to a phone as well. Just put it into pairing mode and choose it from the list to connect. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect AirPods to Galaxy Tab A. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.